How to get rid of pinworms overnight. A pinworm infection is most common among children of the school age, mostly as it is transferred through contact by hands and other objects. Pinworms belong to the family of roundworms that are parasitic in their mode of living. Pinworms may lead to the most rare cases of infestation as they inhabit the digestive tract, mainly rectum and anal regions. Pinworms' life cycle continues as they are transferred from the anal part through fingernails while itching at night and subsequent ingestion that the food, transferring them back to the digestive canal while unwashed hands are used. Moreover, these unwashed hands may be contacted with other individuals to spread the infection by contagiousness. The infection leads to severe discomfort and itching in the rectum and anus. This condition can be helped and completely get rid of pinworm infection through the following most effective and simple home remedies. So, in today's video, we will let you know about 9 simple home remedies to treat a pinworm infection at home. Number 1. Apple cider vinegar. The acidic property of apple cider vinegar makes it perfect to get rid of the pinworm infection. This is one most used and oldest remedy. It helps clean the digestive tract, killing the parasitic worms due to the acidic atmosphere it creates. You may take the ACV in diluted form around 2 tablespoons per glass of water and drink at least once a day. Number 2. Coconut oil. Taking coconut oil combined with castor oil on a daily basis helps flush the digestive tract and clean it from the infectious parasitic worms. You may take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil followed by 4 tablespoons of castor oil in the morning. Number 3. Clove and flaxseed. A combination of clove and flaxseed helps alleviate the pinworm infection by cleansing the digestive system. You only have to make a mixture of crushed clove with flaxseed and take it with your normal meals at least once a day. Number 4. Onion. Onion contains sulfur contents that are best suitable to fight the pinworm infection. You can take the onion extract by soaking a slice of onion into a covered glass of water overnight and drinking this water the next morning. Use this remedy daily for best outcomes. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is considered a natural potent to get rid of pinworm infection. It is recommended to take the garlic in non-powdered form. You may add the garlic cloves simply to your meal and take regularly. You may also consume it in paste form by grinding or crushing the garlic cloves and apply this paste combined with Vaseline onto the rectal and buttock area in order to get rid of itching as it helps kill the pinworms. Number 6. Carrots. Carrots possess several nutritional benefits and in addition provide an excellent source of dietary fiber which helps flush the digestive tract and clean off the pinworm. Simply consume the raw carrots several times in a day, especially in the morning and lunchtime. Number 7. Wormwood. Wormwood possesses several antiparasitic constituents such as thujon, estrogen and santonin, being the active ingredients. These substances act by disrupting the cell membrane of the parasitic worms and killing them. You may consume the wormwood by combining a few drops of it with your cup of tea or warm water and drinking on an empty stomach daily for best results. Number 8. Grapefruit seed extract. The grapefruit seed extract also helps relieve the body by alleviating pinworm infection. You only have to mix 10 to 12 drops of grapefruit in a glass of water. Take this drink at least thrice a day for once a week and you will surely see the difference. Number 9. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are one of the best solutions to treat the ringworm infection. Prepare the pumpkin seed extract by boiling and crushing the seeds in water for a few hours and straining the extract into a glass. Let the extract cool suitable temperature for consumption. You may start by taking only a tablespoon of this extract daily after short intervals of 15 minutes. Take a laxative after few hours and eat some warm oatmeal afterward. The entire treatment helps flush the pinworms from the digestive tract.
Anyways, let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today. Thank you. Have a nice day.